Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Samsung U540 if I remember right. Let's go and get onto it. It is locked as well, so in 3, 2, 1. That was the backdrop. We don't need that no more. I'm pretty sure I know where to go. Hooks took some scuffs on the back, really. Looking more like scratches. I actually didn't do too bad. Let's go and do the side drop. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, that looks like it was a clean side drop too. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. This phone's actually holding up better than I thought it was going to. Let's go ahead and do the face down. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. I'll make sure slow motion stopped. I think this is just plastic. It looks pretty good. Just some scuffs around it. It's actually holding up a lot better than I was thinking. Let's go ahead and start slow motion and do the face open. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. LCD still looks good. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do the throw test. Angle it up and throw this thing. In 3, 2, 1. Just gonna put the back cover on. Oh man, it kind of took some damage. I'll do the give you kind of like a preview, and then I'll show you when we get to the house. It looks like the screens are good. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video of this one, and let's get on to the next one.